Here we will review question number 6. Question number 6 asks us to divide two rational expressions. And when you're dividing two rational expressions, we really need to think of it as multiplying by the reciprocal. So we're going to change the division to say multiplying and then flip our second fraction. Here's what it will look like. Now that the question says multiplication, we are going to need to factor. In the fraction on the left, we will need to factor using our generic rectangle and our diamond problem. In the fraction on the right, we will need to factor the denominator using the greatest common factor, or basically undoing the distributive property. After factoring using those two tools, the generic rectangle and diamond problem, and undoing the distributive property, the next thing you want to do is look for giant ones to simplify this expression. We can see a giant 1 with the 2x squareds, and we can also see a giant 1 with the x minus 6 in both the numerator and the denominator. That is going to leave us with our most simplified answer of x plus 6 in the numerator and x in the denominator.